Hey y'all, we're on week 3 of To Acquiring a Taste of a Persimmon. Turns out Wednesdays are just the day I have off, so those are the days it's going to happen. My new thought now is that it is the middle of the persimmon and these lines coming off of it, which might be the unpleasant bit. So I've cut a little bit of it up and gonna give it a go on that. Nope, no, I'm wrong. Maybe you're supposed to eat the middle bit? No, that's worse. Somehow that's even worse. I guess there's no quick solution to it. Feels like my teeth are stuck to my lip. It's probably not a good thing, right? I can't even talk right now. The middle is definitely one of the worst parts, that bite. I guess they say some tastes are acquired. They say that with whiskey, which I still don't like, coffee, don't like. But 2020 is the year that I actually acquire a taste, you know? No more mayonnaise and white bread sandwiches for me. No, this is the year of the persimmon. I've never even experienced what's going on in my mouth before. That bit was super crunchy. That doesn't make it better. Maybe it's the softer bits. Next week I'll try a softer one.